So here's track 5. This is Kit Kat. This track wasn't even going to be on the album, but I had to replace one of the tracks that I was going to put on the album because of the sample that I'd used in it. I couldn't release for copyright reasons, but yeah, this is what I've got. This track was actually made after I'd finished the tracks that I'd made from the album. I've used loops and drums, uh, pretty basic drum pattern. I've got a shake loop. I've got some tracks in here that just aren't used before, but they were just experiments basically. The track was just an experiment. I tried to drift away a little bit from what I'd been doing. Added some more melodic elements to this track. I've also used the arpeggiators like I did before to add some more interest and change the timing. I've actually got a set of arpeggiators on this channel. This is the lead and this is my bass. And this is also a further lead. I don't know the correct word. It's not a counter melody, but it's like an extra melody. This channel here is just white noise riser effects. These two channels are just experiments. They aren't actually going to be featured in this track, and this is the vocal track. This track is it's a loop, but what I've actually used is a reactor assembly that I've created myself. This is the chopper block. It's basically a gator with a repeater and some delay effects. It can basically add some pretty awesome effects to your loops. It's something that I added into my production to kind of shape my own sound even further. Little demo of this. So that's just the sample that I was using without the effects on. So when the automation kicks in here, this is when the reactor effects come to kick in. So this is another sample that I've actually paid for as well. So obviously I'm just chopping it up a bit, making it my own, as it were. Sorry, the dog's barking now. Nope. So yeah, I'll give you a play. So yeah, what I'll explain now is what I've actually done with these arpeggiators. I've been the automations up, so it's a bit more visible. I've got two arpeggiators on. By the looks of things, they're on its separate time. Basically what one does is, the first one's before this chord selection, so it repeats the chord on 16th notes at its own groove, and what this one does is it takes the notes of the chord and arpeggiates them, so when this one is on we get a different melody basically, and also the rates being automated for both of the arpeggiators. So I'm just going to solo this and you can hear the different patterns. So you can see here, this one's up in the chord like I mentioned, and then this one is up in the notes of the chord. Gives you a different sound, and then this last bit is a totally different timing, so you get and then it drops back into the original, so it's just more tricky to keep the song interesting, and that's pretty much how I've done that track. Nice.